Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to try out this under eye mask. It's by Deep and it is supposed to lighten, brighten, tighten your under eyes just using a mask. So this is a non-invasive way to put vitamin C right into your skin using low direct electrical current, which is crazy to think about that all that can happen with just one eye patch. And it's supposed to do all of that without you being able to really feel anything, which is awesome. This is going to help get the antioxidants really deep into your skin. This is said to help get rid of wrinkles and really just overall help the quality of your skin. So I'm gonna give it a try because I've seen it and I've been dying to try it. So I'm super excited. Let's be honest, I'm always tired because I have children. If you're in the same boat as me and you're looking for something to help your tired eyes, keep on watching. So opening it up, a really nice box. I would definitely save this. Inside we have the anti-aging and dark spot corrector under eye patches. And this includes one pair and you can get 8 uses out of it. I'm pretty excited to get rid of some hyperpigmentation, dark circles, fine lines, especially, let's be honest, my hyperpigmentation, I feel like it's the worst. It's my issue, especially since having kids, your skin changes. It's just, it ain't fun. Inside the box, you also get the White Out Lightening Cream and the C+ Liquid Gold Infused Serum. So first up, you want to make sure your skin is nice and clean. Can't stress that enough. Nothing is going to work if you start off with a dirty face. It's just going to clog your pores and ruin your life. Okay. And we're going to use the infusing serum first. And you're going to you're going to apply the liquid C serum first. You're going to put it where you're going to put your patches. And you're just going to lightly push it into your skin. Don't be rough, go easy. I like that there's no smell to it too, which makes me really happy. Then we're gonna open these guys up and we're gonna set that right on top. Your first session, you wanna do it for 60 minutes. Your sessions after that, you can do it for 30 minutes. And you wanna do this twice weekly. It almost feels kind of like a little bit of a massage. Like there's a nice slight pressure to it and it feels really good. And you get to sit down, relax, live your best life for the next 60 minutes. So this is definitely for my girls out there, and guys, everyone loves Botox, who wants to get Botox, but wants something that's not so invasive, something that's more natural, a little bit more holistic, something that doesn't use needles, where there's no downtime. Definitely this would be the way to go. I can feel it penetrating my skin in a good way. It doesn't feel bad. It feels really nice. I feel like, not tinglings, but I just feel like almost like little massages happening underneath my skin. It feels really good. I love the fact that you can do this at home too, which is really nice because like I said, not everyone has time to go out and make an appointment. You know, if you're wanting Botox or you're wanting to get rid of fine lines and dark spots, things like that, it's probably because you're a mom or you're older and you have things to do, whether it's a job, a single mom, a mom with 75 kids, or, you know, a husband, a career, just whatever it may be. We don't all have time to go, one, dish out the money, two, to just sit there and get injected. So it's nice that you can put these on. You can, you know, double task. You could do whatever you got to do, clean, laundry. I'll go to school drop off, school pickup with these guys on. It's nice that you can make yourself a priority while maintaining all your other tasks that you have to do throughout the day. So taking them off, took them off, put them right back in the bag. Then I'm gonna go onto my skin with the White Out Lightening Cream. Going to basically put that all where I had that. I'm gonna focus it on this hyperpigmentation guy that I have right here. I'm gonna do it right here too, where I have like some acne scarring. And I'm just going to nicely rub it in. And I'm probably going to take my red light when I'm done just so that my skin can basically suck in all of the nutrients, moisture from this as much as possible. My skin feels baby soft. I feel like I look pretty darn glowy. and this was only my first session with it, so I'm excited to see what happens after my second session. I feel really, really good. I feel like my skin looks more rejuvenated. I love fresh, glowy skin. I normally never wear makeup, which is weird. Like, you're a beauty blogger, beauty person, whatever my title is, I don't even know. But I really don't wear much makeup at all whatsoever. So I'm really, really excited about this. I love skincare. It makes me so happy, and I love skincare that works. I love affordable skincare, and I love that there's just so many options out there now besides just Botox, because not everybody wants to go that route. So I love this product. I absolutely 100 recommend it. And if you guys decide to try it out, definitely let me know, and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all of the details below. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate. I will answer all your questions for you guys. I love you, and I'll see you soon.